As a first time mom, I need all the milk supply I can get, so I decided to make postpartum ogi for myself. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't crossed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. But I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Do now, just do now.
Hi guys, I'm Bostani and welcome to another video. Now for this video, all I did was just to tell the malam to mix it for me in one. This way it saves cost instead of buying it one each. Now you'll be needing regular yellow corn. You can use white corn if you want white ugi. You'll be needing millet and you'll be needing guinea corn. I would advise your yellow corn or your regular corn should be much because this will be the thickener. Another thing you can do is to tell the malam to mix ugi for you. This way it will be giving you the three, if that makes sense. Now we are back home and we have to soak this for 3 days. You need a bigger bucket or a bowl, regular known as bath. Well, personally, because of the smell that this gives, I would suggest you use a tight cover bowl, bucket, or a bowl bath. First thing I did was to rinse this thoroughly, and I want to say I rinsed this about 5 to 7 times. This is totally optional, but because the first time I poured water on it, I saw dirt flow on top of it, so I knew there and then that I need to rinse it. As you guys can see, the more I rinse it, the more these dirt keep coming up. Also, yours might not be as dirty as mine, and yours might be dirtier than this, so you just want to rinse it thoroughly to see that there's no dirt again. After which you want to cover this for 3 days, and after 3 days I added in my ginger. Mind you, for that 3 days you want to change your water and put in new water. Although this is totally optional, but I just feel like changing the water will make it to have this smell that this ogi gives. But like I said, it's totally optional in case you forgot or you were busy for those 3 days. Now to make our ogi, you need a fine sieve. Fine sieve simply means sieves that has tiny holes. There are different methods to do this. One that you can do is after pouring the ogi itself, the pap itself in the sieve, you do this one that I did. You rinse it and keep doing this till the shaft is not milky or creamy anymore, because the milk is the ogi itself. And another method you can do is while pouring it in the sieve, keep adding water to the one that you have, and of course too it is not creamy or milky. The water itself is the ogi. This shaft is the trash. Now because I am heavily pregnant, and so I had to put this bucket so that it can lift it and I don't have to bend too much. You can do this standing up, but trust me, if you're making this much quantity, it won't be easy for you, especially if you are heavy already. Also, I will advise you do this early your pregnancy. I mean, not super early, like when you are in your third trimester, of course, but like early third trimester. This way you can start drinking it like super fast. I don't know why, but midnight is when I have energy, so this is when I do things like this. As you guys saw the time earlier, I did this like overnight, if that makes sense. Now this is how much cream that we have, but there's still work to do. So if you guys have watched to this end, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, So I did sieve mine twice. This is totally optional, but it was worth it because you guys will see how many or how much shaft that I still have to sieve out from this, and of course still add water to that shaft because it's still creamy, and we have to cover this for a whole 24 hours. 24 hours later, and this is what we have. The top part is water, so you just have to trash it, and this gave us about 3 to 3.5 small buckets. The down part is the pap itself, so that is what we need. If you don't have a refrigerator or you just want to leave it this way, then you need to leave this water, this last one, leave it on top of it. This will preserve it. It's regularly called umidun in Yoruba. Now, if you don't want to do that and you want to save it, you need a chiffon cloth. This is bedsheet, white bedsheet I bought. It has 4 pillowcase and I have just 3 pillows. So this is just one of it that I took. This is new, by the way. Now you want to pour it in the bedsheets, the pillowcase, tie it, and I had my husband use his weight. This is a 20 kg dumbbell, so I put it on top of it for the next day. This could take a day to 2 days depending on how dry you want it to be. Now if you don't have this much plastic, you can use a ziploc bag. This works perfectly. Put it in your refrigerator or your freezer section, anyone works. I just put mine in my deep freezer to preserve it, and that is all. You can drink this as much as you want, but make sure to add ginger to your taste, and while making your pap, use evaporated milk instead, because this will also help with your milk flow, breast milk flow. The ginger I used was not much for me, but personally, next time I would use more ginger than this. I won't lie, this was tasky, but it was worth it and it saved cost. If you watched to this part, I want to say thank you very much. If you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back in. If you are new here, hi, welcome to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and be fabulous. Cheers.